Hi guys, so I wanted to film this quick video. I see a lot of people struggling to put the bottom plate into the mash pipe without the seal coming loose, and it's something that I struggled with for quite some time, and then I found this quite easy little hack on one of the forums, and I wish I could remember where, and I wish I remember who posted it, but ever since I saw it, it's something that I've always been doing, and never have an issue since with the seal falling off the plate. So once you've gone ahead and put your seal all the way on, just make sure it is tightly pressed around, and then dip it in the water that you're going to use to mash in. Take it out, and then lower the mash pipe into the GrainFather, and while it's in the water, then you can go ahead and slide the bottom plate in the water all the way to the bottom. You can see that my head's in the way. And then once that's pressed down, then we can lift out the mash pipe, and you can see that the bottom plate is on fully in place, and the seal is on nicely. And then I just go and get my recirculation pipe, and you can just rest it there while it's still dripping, and you can quite easily just screw on the bottom pipe. And then once that's screwed on, then you can go ahead and lower it back into the GrainFather, and then we're all ready to brew. Pop on the other recirculation pipe, pop on the stopper, and we're ready to bring the GrainFather up to mash temps. So I hope that helps you. It certainly helped me. Like I said, it was something that used to annoy me with the GrainFather. Every time I brewed, the seal would come off, and I tried wetting it and bringing it out, and I tried spraying it with some star sand was another trick, and I still really struggled. Putting it on in the water for me was the simplest way to do it 100% of the time without any problem. So yeah, hope it helps you out, and we'll see you for the brew day next time. Cheers for now.